Hello, my name is Jonathan Lancho, and we are in the Module 5, Part 5. The lesson I picked is Lesson 1. What do we know about how water and wind shape the land? And the first thing I will do, I will be waiting for my students in the door. I will greet them and I will remind them of my expectations about being quiet and ask, raising their hands if they need to say something or ask something. At the same time, in that first step before we get it inside the class, I will let them know about the questions that we will be using, the question words: who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then I will invite them to get inside. As soon as we are inside, we will talk about the learning targets, and then we will transition to the first 5 minutes with, as you can see here in my plan, the plan I picked is the lesson opening to activate prior knowledge. It will be about 3 minutes. Then, once we know what we are doing and how we are doing it, and we interact a little bit and we have a little hook with them, probably a video, that video will allow me to transition to the next activity. And the activity, as you can see here, is I do it. Okay, it will be a chart. Then I will ask them to get their materials. We will use a interactive notebook. They have their own and they know where they are, so they just need to pick one, get their own pencil, and open in the page for this day. That is a routine that we already have in class. Then we will go through questions if they have questions, and we will have the students in 3 different big tables. I will have in this 5th grade group 12 students, so it will be 4 students in one table, maybe 1 student that is high on English with 3 that are in a different level, or maybe newcomers, and the same in the other 2 tables. So the space will be, all of them will be in front of me, and they will have small groups of 4. Finally, we will go to the lesson closing, okay? And we can see here that each pair of students share 1 item to add to the chart. So everybody in collaboration will be adding to this chart where we are sharing the ideas, okay? That way we are doing a little assessment of what they think and what they understood. And I will know, it will be informal because I am not looking for each of them individually. I'm allowing them to work as a group. And I think that's it. I want to say that the hook was the video. We talked about activate prior knowledge, and we close with an activity sharing the information that we were gathering individually, then in the group, and then in the class. And that way we will be able to know if they are understanding. Finally, sorry I said finally before, but finally I would like to say that they will have a little exit ticket where they will need to write in a little card what they learned in this lesson and what they will like to know about the topic that we didn't talk about. If they have questions or something they would like to know that we didn't talk about. And I think that's all that I have for you guys. I hope you are doing well, and I hope your family is okay. Take care.